side. Now I've been down, shattered in pieces. All these troubles and trials I can't bear. I need an anchor, someone to hold, who will be by my side, who will be by my side, and be my shelter when I ain't able to pick this broken, busted body off the ground. Be my comfort, you know I can't make it on my own, but with love, oh, hope ain't gone. Now all these miles I've traveled in anger, and all these voices that scream in my head, they give no direction, lead me away. Will you carry me home?